Hi there! Today we'll show you how to make your first test ride in Onde.Light. Sign into the admin panel, My Hub. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation menu where you can access analytics, applications, company settings, and other key areas of the platform. Now go to the Drivers section and select Driver Management. Click Add Driver. Enter the driver's information. And tap Add. After you add the driver in the admin panel, an SMS will be sent to the phone number you entered. This message has the link to download the driver app. Now it's the driver's turn. He needs to install the driver app and register. Open the link from the message and install the driver app on their phone. Open it and register using the same phone number you added in My Hub. Fill in the required information and submit the profile. Select your company in the driver app. Enter your full name and add a profile photo. Type your driver's license number. On the next page, add your vehicle details. Brand and model, year, passenger capacity, color, and license plate number. Choose your car features, if available, for example, smoking not allowed, child seat available, and other options. Upload your driver documents. Take a clear photo of the front and back, then upload both. Great! You have successfully filled out your driver's profile. Go back to My Hub and Drivers Management. Find the driver who just registered. You'll see that their status is Waiting for Activation. The driver cannot start working until you activate them. Before activating, please check the driver's details. Make sure the name, car, and driver license details are correct, and any other required info for your company. To activate the driver, click the 3 dots on the right-hand side, then click Activate. Select the service type. Check the subscription plan and change it if needed. Tap Confirm. Once confirmed, the driver's status will change to active, and they are ready to receive orders. Now let's open the web app. In the admin panel, find the web app and open it. If it's your first time, the web app may ask you to create your web app account. Follow the simple steps on the screen. Now you are all set to create the actual order. Enter the pickup and drop-off address. Choose the service type. Click Order. That's it. The order is created. Now open the driver app. On the main screen at the bottom, switch the status from offline to online. When the order appears, tap the order, tap Accept, then complete the ride. That's it. You've completed your first test ride. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.